Wow, that's good. And okay, so what did you do today?
I I went to my guitar class and I went to school.
You went to your teacher's class?
Guitar class.
Guitar class.
Yes.
Wow, it's really good, Cherry. I like guitar, but I don't know how to play it. Do you know how to play guitar?
Yes. I
Wow,
I have three guitar at home.
I saw your guitar at your back. Wow, it's really good. Teacher has big hand, but if I play guitar, the guitar has no sound. I play guitar very bad. Okay. Mm. Who teach you how to play guitar?
This is my teacher.
Teacher, is your teacher a girl or a boy?
It's a boy.
It's a boy. Wow, Cherry, it's really good. How many songs do you know?
I don't know.
Ah, but you play guitar. Do you know English song? Do you know to play English song in guitar?
Yes.
Wow. It's really nice because Cherry has a lot of talent. Cherry can do many things.
Yes.
Okay, so you can play guitar, you can play badminton. What else do you do, Cherry?
I canted my cousin.
Ah, you can?
I canted my cousin.
Ah, you can teach. Oh, that's really good. Okay. Does your dad also play guitar?
Yes.
Oh, you can sing together. How about your mom? Do your mom play guitar?
No. She don't like
Oh,
guitar.
ah, your mom doesn't like guitar?
Yes.
Okay, so just Cherry and Dad. Wow, that's very cool of you, Cherry. It's really nice. Okay, let me see where did we stop last time. Okay, 45. Okay, so this one, so we are at page 45. Let me see. Hmm. Okay, so ah, let me see if I did share. I didn't share it already. Okay, so this one, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I think we have to do. Okay, we have to do new story. Okay, so this one, why?
Why dogs chase cat?
Yes, why dog chase cats? Okay, look at here.
Long ago, dog and cat were a couple. Dog worked hard for his wife. They were happy together. But every night, cat said, "I am too sick. I cannot make you any dinner." Cat did not think and lay on the couch when dog made dinner. Dog was very kind. He understood cat and worried about because he loved her. Dog was tired after a day's hard work, but cat just stayed home all day long. When dog came back home, cat lay on the couch and waited for dog. Mm,
Waited for a dog. To
to make dinner. He soon got sick of making dinner. One day, Dog said to Cat, "Honey, I am going to work. Take care." But instead, he hid in the cupboard and watched Cat. He wondered if he really was sick. As soon as Cat found Dog in had left, she started playing games with Kitten. They laughed and ran about. Cat was the last bit sick. She was a liar. Suddenly, Dog jumped out of the cupboard. When Cat saw him, she put a marble in her mouth and pretended to be sick. She said to Dog, "I have toothache." She was a liar. Dog got too mad at her. He started chasing her around and around the house. Ever since that time, Dog have chased cats.
okay, so now let's look at here. So I will read it for you. So, why dog chase cats? Long, long ago, dog and cat were a couple. Dog worked hard for his wife. So the dog is a husband and cat is a wife. They were happy together. But every night, cat said, "I am too sick. I cannot make you any dinner." Cat did nothing and lay on the couch when dog made dinner. Dog was very kind. He understood Cat and worried about Cat because he loved her. Dog was tired after a day's hard work, but Cat just stayed home all day long. Oh, Cat is very lazy. She didn't work. When Dog came back home, Cat lay on the couch and waited for Dog to make dinner. He soon got sick of making dinner. One day, Dog said to Cat, "Honey, I am going to work. Take care." But instead, he hid in the cupboard and watched Cat. Okay, he hid in the cupboard and watched Cat. He wondered if she really was sick. As soon as Cat thought Dog had left, she started playing games with Kitten. They laughed and ran about. Cat wasn't the least bit sick. She was a liar. Oh, Cat is very bad. Because one day Dog said to Cat that the the dog he will go to work. But he did not go to work. He hid in the cupboard. So he hid in the cupboard and he is watching the cat. Oh, I didn't want to go to work because I want to see what's the cat doing because she always tells me that she was sick. Okay. Now, suddenly, Dog jumped out of the cupboard. When Cat saw him, she put a marble in her mouth and pretended to be sick. She said to Dog, "I have a toothache." She was a liar. So she is a liar. So she didn't tell the truth. Okay. Dog got so mad at her. He started chasing her around and around the house. Ever since that time, dogs have chased cats. Oh, look at here. Cat is very bad. She's the wife, but she didn't work at home. She didn't make food for dog. Okay, she's liar because she's very lazy. Okay, so now let's look at here. Okay, so this one, look at this word, Cherry. This is
Couch.
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 Okay, this one is a couch, Cherry. Go. cat did nothing and lay on the couch when the dog made dinner. Okay, this is couch. Okay, it's like a sofa. Yes, it's a sofa.
Sofa. It's a
Yes,
sofa.
yes. Oh, do you have a couch at home?
Yes.
Oh, what is the color of your couch or sofa?
This is gray. On the couch,
Gray.
I can see some little flower. This is mini.
Wow. Okay, how many couch do you have at home?
I I have one couch, and my grandma have one couch too.
Oh, wow. So, yes, you have two couch. Okay, so this one is understood. Okay?
Yes.
The understood is understand. You get the meaning. Okay, you understand. Oh, yes, I know it. I understand. I understood. So that is understood. Because dog was very kind. He understood cat. So he understand cat because the dog is thinking the cat is sick. Okay, next this one. Okay, got
Got sick of.
got sick of is tired. Okay?
Yes.
Oh, I am tired of making dinner. I got sick of making dinner, so he became tired. Okay, so got sick of. Next, this one. Another word, Cherry, is
Liar.
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 Yes, that's liar. Okay, Cherry. Do you know what is liar?
No.
Okay. Liar is not telling the truth. For example, okay, for example, I broke the mirror. I broke the mirror and mom is coming. I told my mom, I broke the mirror, but mom asked me, "Oh, who broke the mirror?" I told my mom, "Oh, it's not me. It's my sister." So it's liar. I am liar. I am not telling the truth. So liar. Cherry, is liar good or bad?
I am not liar.
Ah, you are not liar. So is it a good or a bad?
This is bad.
Bad, yes. So we have to be honest. Okay. Don't liar. Don't be a liar because it's very bad. Okay. Next, this one,
Marble.
marble. Okay. Do you know what is marble?
No.
Okay, this one is a marble, Cherry. Look at this. Okay, this is a marble. I play marble. Okay. When I was a kid, I play marble. Okay, marble toy. Just like this one, okay? Just a moment. It's a marble toy. This one is a marble. Like this. Do you know what is a marble?
Yes.
It's a toy. Do you play marble, Cherry?
No. I don't
Oh,
have.
okay, you don't know. But this is a marble. It is a circle or a glass. It's a kind of glass. So I will, okay, marble toy in, let me see if there is a Vietnamese term. Marble toy in Vietnamese, it is dahua. Dahua. Is it dahua, right? How to
Yes.
say this one? How to read? How to read that one?
Đào hoa.
Dahua. Dahua. Okay, so that is a marble. So when I was a kid, when I was very young, like Cherry, I play marble. Okay. Now this one is pretended. Okay. Oh, pretended is lying. It's still liar. Pretending is liar. So pretending is that you are, oh, you're saying I am sick, but you are not sick. Okay, so pretended is, okay, let me see. It's in Vietnamese. I will. I will also tell you what is pretended in Vietnamese. Okay, pretended in Vietnamese is this one. Giava. Giava. It's Giava. Yeah, so it's like liar, right?
Yes.
Giava. So it's still bad. Okay, so next, this one. Oh, look at here. What is this?
It is not.
Mad. Okay, mad is something like, oh, you feel sad. I feel mad. I feel like angry. Angry or sad or mad. Okay, so this one, what is that?
Chasing.
Chasing. Okay.
Chasing.
Chasing, yes, chasing is like running. Running after her. So that is chasing. Okay, that is chasing. Okay. Now let's look at this one. Okay, Cherry, we have to try to answer this one. It's okay if it's wrong or right. Okay, number one.
Touch.
Okay, someone. Oh, did what is couch? Okay, this one you have to read first.
Someone who tells lies.
Someone who tells lies. What is that? It is something bad. Very good, Cherry. It's a liar. Next, a very angry or annoyed.
Um,
What is that? A very angry or annoyed. Oh, chase. Chase is something like you are running after her.
oh,
Yes. Run after is chase.
very angry.
Very angry. Very sad or sad.
Very angry or annoyed.
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 Yes, it's okay. You have to leave the. Oh, your liar is. Okay, this one. Liar is someone who tells lie. Okay. Yes. It's okay. Next. This one. You have to. This is liar. Okay. So now let's move on here. So we will go back to this one later on. Okay. Tired, disgusted, or upset. Oh, I am very tired of making dinner. Ah, get sick of. Next, run after. Run after. You are running after the cat. What is that?
This is chase.
Wow, great job. That is chase. Next,
To act in a fair way in order check.
the act or false. Oh, it is like liar. What is that? In order to trick. It is also liar. I think. Okay. I think I mentioned that lately. So pretended. Ah, it's pretend. I mentioned it. Okay, pretend. That is pretend. It's like a liar. It's like lying. Yes, the same with lying. To know how someone feels. Oh, I know. I know how you feel, Cherry. What is that? Is it mad? Mm-hmm. Next, this one, a
very small bowl made of colored glass.
okay, a very small ball. Yes, very good. It's a small ball. Okay, next.
Next,
Oh, look at this one. Very angry or annoyed. Is it understand?
no,
It's not understand.
I don't know.
Oh, understand. Okay, so understand, it is something like this one. Something like to know. Someone feels. Oh, I understand you, Cherry. Oh, I know how you feel. That is understand, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's erase this one. Let's change to, and this one, very angry or mad, this is annoyed, okay? Or this one is, yes, very good. And this one is understand. You're just having two mistakes today. I know you understand. Ah, that's great, Cherry. Mm-hmm. Because next meeting we will also have a review. Okay, by the way, Cherry, I will ask you, after our class, okay, after our class, do you have another class?
No.
Oh, no, it's not. So you don't have, okay, you don't have another class. Okay, so look at here, Cherry. Let's proceed here. Mm-hmm. Number one.
Number one,
Yes, you have to read and answer.
I am eating sick of baseball. I don't want to play it.
Okay, yes, continue. I will check it later on.
Number two, Jane has a cavity, so he has a
I am. Okay, next. Drake has a cavity, so he has a cavity is this one in his tooth or in his teeth.
yes, he has toothache.
Very good, toothache. Toothache.
Nina is serving me.
Yes. Nina is.
Loving me.
Okay, Nina is.
Nina is loving me.
Oh, she does not talk to me. Loving. Oh, it's love. You have to talk, but she does not talk to me. We don't have word loving.
Matt,
Man, because we have man. Man.
next, I
Next. I
I understood you.
understood you. Next.
When I was young, I played with marble. It was very fun.
Okay. Okay, so I will check. Okay, so this one, I am getting sick of baseball. Very good. I don't want to play it. Jake has a cavity, so he has toothache. Very good. Nina is mad at me. She does not talk to me. Next, I understood you. I know what you did. When I was young, I played with marbles. It was very fun. Nice one, Cherry. Okay, this one. mhm, Look at this. Okay, you have to say true or false.
Number 1. Cat was a hard-working wife. Is far.
False.
Number 2. Cat chases dogs. It is 2.
True. Cat chase dog. Yes. True. Cat chase dog. Okay, now let's move on here. You have to answer this one again. Okay, this one. What?
Number 1. What kind of story is Why Dog Chase Cat?
What kind of story?
I don't know.
This kind of story, Cherry, is American folk tale. Yes, because it's not true. It's just folk tale. Okay? It's okay because you don't know this one. Okay, next. Why
did dog not go to work one day? Because
Why?
he wanted to watch cat.
You want to watch cat. Very good. Next, this one, number 3.
Number 3. Where did dog hide?
Where did dog hide?
Dog hide in a cupboard.
Exactly in the cupboard. Next, number 4.
Number 4. Why did not dog get mad at cat?
Why did dog get mad at cat?
Because cat lied.
Cat lied. Very good. Cat lied. Cat is the liar.
Next, what is not true about the story?
What is not true about a story?
Dog was married to cat.
Oh, they are couple. It's true. Dog is a husband and cat is a wife. Not true is this one. Cat?
Had toothache.
Yes, because she has no toothache. She is lying. She just put marble inside his mouth. So it's a lie. Okay, so I will ask you, Cherry, who is bad in the story?
Um,
Who is bad in the story? Yes.
dog cat play with kitten.
Okay. Okay, so this one. Okay, so I will ask you, we will talk about the story. Who is the liar in the story?
The cat.
Cat is the liar. Who is cooking food in the house?
The dog.
The dog. Yes, the dog cooked their food. Okay, and who plays with the cat?
The kitten.
The kitten. Very good. Okay. And okay, so the dog is doing great job in the story. Okay, so now we are running out of time and I have also my next class. I am sorry to cut for now. Okay, but next time I will add you 10 minutes because last time yes, we are short of 10 minutes. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Cherry. See you. I think see you on Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Bye, Cherry.
Bye bye,
Bye.
teacher.